How to raise a new requirement. From the home page, you go into Requirements. Here, we can see any existing open requirements, and we can see any closed previous requirements by switching between the two options as shown. For a new requirement, we go to the top right and click Create New Requirement. Enter a reference in the box here. Then give it a title so you can clearly identify the job. We can categorize it to filter it down in the future if we need to look at previous information. We can then give a statement. This is just free text to explain further information about the requirement. Click Next in the bottom right corner. You will be taken to the Details section. Select drop-down box to enter the bid's deadline date. You can also enter a deadline time if applicable. Once the required details are entered, click Done. The job can be set to draft open or closed. This will set if the job can be visible to others to bid on it or not. This job will be set to open, so once the creation is finished, the job will go live. The next section is selecting which suppliers we want to invite to potentially work on the job. This is free text, so you have the flexibility of who we can invite to be able to bid on the job. Clicking Update Report will run a search to see if the information inputted already links to an existing supplier within the system. If so, it will automatically change to the existing customer and contact them through this account. If we use an email that is not linked to an existing supplier, we can click this add icon and add a name to the email. This will then manually add them as a new supplier. Click Next in the bottom right to go on to the Add Files page. On this page, we can attach files. There is two options. We can pull from the Document Store, which is a database of documents which have been uploaded to the system. This section is searchable with a drop-down to show existing documents. There is also the option to add a new document. If you select Upload New, this gives you the option to upload a new file. Enter a name and give a brief description of the file. You can then drag the file into the drag and drop box or manually search for it. Click Attach for it to then attach the file to the requirements. As we click Finish, that is the job created, and it will send an email to the relevant recipients. If they already have an account on Parts Portal, they will get sent a note and a link to the specific job. If they don't have a Parts Portal account, there will be an account set up for them in the background, and they will receive a link with the login and details. This has been a video showing the creation of a new requirement.